Welcome back everybody, welcome back to the channel, Motorhome in Fun. Alright, we're going to head back out this afternoon, Friday afternoon. We've got ourselves set up, we've done the little site walk guys and all that, so we're going to head down to the country park and find the beachy area. We've got the ball for Skye, so I think we're going to have a little bit of a playtime with Skye now guys, so yeah, we'll catch you a bit further down the road once we know where we're going. So, see you all soon. Bye for now. Right, so this looks like the main entrance into the actual country park. It looks like it's a barrier system. Take a ticket and pay for what car parking time you use, guys. So, as I say, we're in the club site, so none of that for us. So we're going to head down here and hopefully the beach won't be too far. We'll tell you shortly guys how far the walk is when we get there. Right, it looks like we can take a left turn down to the beach and also carry straight on. I think this way brings us up to the visitor centre, so we'll head this way today, and another day or tomorrow we'll go a different direction, but I'm pretty sure there's lots of ways you can go, and woodland walks and cycle trails and you name it. I think there's things here. There's a little dry ski run, I believe, and that guys. So yeah, it'd be interesting next few days for us. Quite typical. We just put the canopy out on the motorhome and just got the carpet, table and a chair set up. And the wind picks up guys, so I think when we've done this little walk we could be bringing it back in. I think we've certainly got, looks like we've got a couple of hours of rain coming in. Could be 5-6 o'clock tonight guys, so yeah, we'll have to keep our eye on that one, but it did start flapping quite a bit. We've got the old tethers out, the straps out, holding it down, but you can't predict these strong winds, so I think we'll be, as soon as it's gone up, we'll be taking it down. Right, not too sure what's happening over there, but there's a little fun fair being set up for something. As I say, I'm not too sure on anything around here, guys, at the moment. We're still walking down. It's a fair little way, guys, at the moment. We're about 15 minutes in, 3/4 of a mile, and we haven't even seen the sea yet. I've got a funny feeling there could be some dog restrictions on the beach. It's that time of the year again where they restrict you going on certain areas, guys, but I'm sure it'll all be on the boards saying where we can go and where we can't. I think we're just up this pathway, another 5 minutes and hopefully we'll be there. I think behind this fence is a small miniature railway. Certainly some tracks there. Welcome to Llanelli and District Model Engineers. Got some toilets in front before you hit the beach. Right, we're getting closer and closer, but still not there. We're exactly just under a mile, guys, so it's a mile from the campsite at the moment. I'm getting a little bit worried that I've got that canopy out and the wind is picking up and picking up. Hopefully, being a bit more inland, I'm hoping it's okay, but I think we're definitely taking it down when we get back, and it might stay down all weekend now. So I don't know whether we've got a little dining area here, cafe or something. You can probably make out the sand blowing across the road. That's the strength of the wind, guys. You can probably see on the flag as well. So It could be a cafe, ice cream place. Shutters are down, so certainly not being used today. Possibly weekend, might be a little bit busier. Right, I think the area directly in front of us, CE 54, 55 and 56 are no dogs 1st of May to 30th of September. So it looks like we've got to go past that area. No barbecues or fires. Wow. It is windy. Right, I think we're going to head towards this right-hand direction. This definitely reminds me of a bit of Harlech Beach, this does. There's a few people with dogs I can see over here. So we're going to head this way. Just have a little pan around. You can have a quick look around. Lovely beach. But, extremely windy today. Be no chance of flying a drone in this wind as well. so we're heading back towards the dunes, back off the beach where we come. As I say, very windy. Just hope that canopy's okay when we get back. Didn't think it was this windy when I put it up, but sod's law. Right, as for the dog restriction areas on the beach, I couldn't see no defining markers or anything, so I was just basically doing what a few others were doing, walking the dogs. So we'll see a little bit more of this in the coming days. We'll go a bit further down the coast, left and right guys, and that, see what's about. We'll have some walks in the woodland area and that, so this is why we like to have 3 nights. It gives us 2 full days, and then we try and then we're not rushing everything in one day. I find that just about a nice amount of time, otherwise I get too bored. I think we have got 4 nights in Tenby, to be honest, but I thought Tenby is a lovely picturesque place, a little town, so I thought there might be a little bit more to do. No lifeguards out today. That's all shut up. As I say, there's probably about a dozen people on this beach I've seen. Right, so as I said, that was about a mile or just over a mile walk down to the beach. It is a flat walk, guys, so it's not hilly at all, so if you're disabled and in a wheelchair, this is probably the most awkward bit, this sand dune area. Right, so we're heading back now, back to the campsite. I think we're due a coffee and a cake. Got some chocolate eclairs we brought with us, guys, and that, and then we'll have dinner a bit later tonight. We'll just have pizza and garlic bread tonight and that, so something easy to cook. We'll see if there's any food vans on the car park when we get back to the site, but I didn't see no boards saying so. Right, let's just have a quick look at this model railway area. Got some car parking here as well. Looks like you can go for a woodland walk further ahead. See if this is running at the weekend. Can't see much information on it. We're normally open Sunday and bank holidays from 11 AM until 4. Last train 3:45. No bare feet, no dogs, no selfies when riding the train, please. Right, so we might see that running on Sunday. Right, let's head back again. Right, on the way back I've come across another campsite, Pembrey campsite. It was quite a big one, guys, and that's something different to the Caravan and Motorhome Club Site one. Country Park Beach. Not too sure where there's a restaurant in there. Well, certainly a visitor centre I can see. So we'll have a look at that visitor centre another time. It looks all closed up. We're going to head back now. Right, not too sure what this is in front of us. Something dairy. I think they might be selling fresh produce here. Can't see. No tills or anything. It's all machine. I think it's basically drinks and ice creams. Serve yourself. Right, I'm not too sure if we found a back way into the campsite, guys, but I was just following a couple of other walkers and I could see all the caravans and motorhomes, so that might take a little bit off the walk to the beach. So there does look like there's a bottom gateway out. Here we go, gateway. Right, so I think we're going to conclude our little Friday afternoon walk, beach walk with Skye, guys. Hope you enjoyed that little taster and that, guys, and that more to come like that over the weekend and that. So we're heading back now. We're done. It'll probably be a nice little 3-mile walk once we're back, but as I say, it is about a mile to the beach, guys. So if you can do it, that's great. So we'll see you all on Saturday. Bye for now.